Today we'll be making the viral food mashup called smash burger tacos, or as it's known on TikTok, Big Mac tacos. Juicy smashed burgers cooked on a flour tortilla and topped with savory onions, tart pickles, and a burger sauce that's to die for. Hello and welcome to Cozymeal Studios. As I mentioned, today we'll turn ourselves into food influencers to make the viral smash burger tacos. But before we begin, please hit like, subscribe, and tap on that notification bell. And of course, let's get cooking. Let's start our recipe by preparing the burger sauce. For this, let's combine inside a bowl half a cup of mayonnaise, 2.5 tablespoons of pickle relish, 1 tablespoon of yellow mustard, 3/4 teaspoons of paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, and half a teaspoon of white wine vinegar. Mix it all up until all the spices have combined nicely and a sauce has been formed. Then set it aside. Let's now divide 1 pound of lean ground beef 90-10 into 2-ounce portions and lightly roll it into balls. If you prefer, you may divide it into 3-ounce portions, which will create a beefier smash burger taco. Then let's heat a griddle to medium-high heat, and once it's hot, add 1 ball of the divided ground beef and place a flour tortilla on top. And as the name suggests, smash the tortilla down with your hand and then a spatula to create a thin layer of the beef that covers the entire tortilla. Be sure to flatten the meat as flat as possible so that we are sure that the beef is spread all over the tortilla. Let's now let the beef cook until a brown crust forms, which takes about 2 to 3 minutes. And then flip the tortilla over and lower the heat to medium. Let's now season the beef with salt and pepper to taste and place a slice of yellow American cheese on top. Then cover and let the cheese melt and the beef finish cooking for about 2 to 3 minutes. Once the time has passed, take it out of the griddle and add the burger sauce, some shredded lettuce, dill pickles, and diced onion. Now serve immediately and enjoy your quick and easy meal. For more delicious recipes and to read all the steps again, be sure to check the description box below or head to our website at cozymeal.com/recipes to find other flavorful meals to spice up your weeknight meals. If you haven't already, please hit like and share this recipe with all your friends and family. They most probably already saw this before, but a little more spam will just make them more curious. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all in our next video recipe.